Just what we look dump on the internet, bro.
One question after.
What you say? Kind of shy?
Kind of shy still.
Bro, come on, bro. Yo, YouTube! Yo, I boy, duttyboiilee. Out there back in the public interview. Hi, hello. Can I ask you a question? No question today? Alright. Man, them know how intriguing? No? A simple 3 questions I ask you. If you can get all of them correct, you know intriguing. The dog them shy. Man, them are more shy. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you know, say I want duttyboiilee on the app. duttyboiilee. One duttyboiilee on the app. Is it me? More everybody subscribe and think give me a strength. And we have one TK, never two on the. Are we there? Him the black of the camera. Him the black of the camera. Next time I him go on the front of the camera. You see it? So we have to find some victim enough, see if we can give a 3 grand idea. Yeah, give them a 3 grand or me have to. Yeah? Alright, we'll find the people and forward.
Oh, you know that right thing we can do with it.
Man, send the caps and the roses, them here. And don't fuck.
Victim, ready to win 5.
Why are you running?
Yo, dog, so me have 3 questions for you. 3 little questions, bro. Simple question. If you answer all of them, you probably get the Benzi out there. So, me don't know. First question, where your name? Where you fought from?
My name Sugar Stick.
Is that? Oh shit!
One Sugar
what
Stick
is
on your
that?
card. You can find me as One Chops, but my so change it to Sugar Stick.
Sky.
My name Sean.
My name Pinky.
You don't know, say TC. You don't know for the IG, not that TC world.
Mine is PGL, that's Sky with 2Y underscore.
My name PTY that underscore Leah. Anna.
Yeah.
Alright, so now them are compete for win $5,000 million. And we're gonna ask you a simple question. Nigga say we are cat bag. Alright, so 3 little questions, 3 baby questions. First question. What starts with E, ends with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
E.
E.
Why start with E and end with E and E, brother?
And total have 1 letter in it.
Oh.
Listen again. What start with E, end with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
No.
I'm like, you know how win the beast today, now. Where you some G?
Like E. Like when you say E.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
One more time, listen to the question. What starts with E, ends with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
That is E. A with E and
1 letter in it. Yeah, boss no brain, man.
E. E.
E?
E.
E. What start with E, end with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
Almost I.
You serious?
Almost E. What start with E, end with E, and only 1 letter in it.
Yeah.
Almost E. Half E.
Half a E. Final answer.
Yeah,
5, can you win the number?
Yeah, man.
Think about it, you know. That wrong. I give you 1 more chance.
Hold on. Why?
What start with E, end with E, and only have 1 letter in it?
Letter E. Letter E.
No die.
No, God!
Final answer. E. Alright, that wrong.
Almost I. EYE.
That wrong.
I.
How school lad?
End with E. I have one letter right.
Yeah. No man, listen up.
What start with E, done with E.
I only have one letter in it.
Only have one letter right.
Mm-hmm.
That puzzling. Almost E.
What starts with E, ends with E, and only have one letter in it.
What?
Brother, I have E, man. Me not see no other start with E. End with E, I only one letter right.
Remember, you know, them youth are bright youth tonight.
No.
One letter.
Yeah.
I don't get that one.
I know E.
I know E.
No.
I don't know what then.
Thing. But that wrong still an envelope where I look for.
Envelope. You see one letter in there?
So when you open my envelope, how much letter in there?
When you open envelope,
How much letter come in the envelope?
fully a 2, 3.
Yeah, what's the name guy?
Fully 2.
Envelope, man.
Envelope.
Start with E,
Yeah.
end with E. How much letter come in the envelope?
Alright, okay.
The one letter come in the envelope. What cup you can't drink from?
Man,
You know what win the beast?
water cup.
Oh my god!
E cup. Alright, that kind of right, but none of that me I look for.
What?
What cup you can't drink from?
Which cup you can drink from?
Which cup you can't drink from?
Me know an answer for that one, and dog. Last night, somebody asked me, you know.
Which cup you can drink from?
Yeah. What?
What cup we can drink from?
Yeah.
Cup.
Which cup you can drink from? Which cup you can drink from?
Tell the youth them to stay in a school, you see it?
And it's a cup.
I don't know enough.
But at school, not teach them thing, you know.
Which cup you can't drink from?
I don't know that one. I don't pick up that name.
What cup we can drink from? What cup we can drink from?
Yo, school not teaching them thing, my youth. I can't school not teaching them thing, dog.
What you say?
You know, some I don't know the cup.
Yeah, you know that one there.
Yes, I want that.
What cup you cannot drink from?
Brother, cup.
Which cup you can't drink from?
Which cup you can drink from? Me no know. I swear to God, me no know.
Okay, that's serious stuff. Stay in schools, kids. We don't know. Cupcake, me I look for cupcake. I'm getting an easier one. What goes up, let off a load, and then come back down?
I go let her roll and come back down.
Yeah.
Yo, my dung still.
Yo, hold on. Siri,
I'm gonna ask Siri.
what goes up, let her follow and come back down?
Let off a load and then come back down.
Yeah.
What goes up, let off a load.
And come back down.
Hold on.
See, you don't know either.
No, man. What is about that? Goes up, let off a load and then come back down.
Yeah.
I know rocket chat, but
Go to school.
Want to tell me here. Don't tell me. No. No tell me. Do me a big no.
that one they got me again.
Tell me.
You say, you give up?
Ah,
How am go Google that from? Me show you, man.
Yo, very good.
What goes up, let off a load, and then come back down?
Elevator.
Elevator. That's the answer.
Eh,
Alright, that wrong, bro. You want to get a next try? Or next question?
next question.
Next question. Which word is spelled incorrectly in every dictionary?
You word wrong. Or wrong.
You read wrong?
Oh, yeah, incorrectly.
You know, I use the mic.
Yo, incorrectly. Incorrectly.
Them bright.
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
What?
No,
Johnson?
incorrectly.
Oh, what you say?
Oh, no.
I call him here, you say, no.
No.
I call it here.
No, that's the answer. No, because some people spell color different.
What?
Last question. Poor people have it, rich people need it, but if you eat it, you will die. What am I?
Repeat that. Wait.
Poor people have it,
Rich people need it.
rich people need it, but if you eat it, you will die. What am I?
Poor people have it, rich people need it. But you say poor people have it, rich people need it, but if you eat it, you die.
Die.
Awesome. Okay. You know, this
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Data? Where you do data?
No, you have to give me the other one. The other one is too hard.
What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? What you say? Water?
Sorry, towel.
One more time I ask you again. Poor people have it, rich people need it, but if you eat it, you will die. What am I?
Come in and know.
You give up?
Wait, no, wait. Poor people have it. Rich people need it. What if me eat me all dead? No, if you eat money, you can't survive.
This is money?
No, sir.
What time ago?
You know, up it.
It's nothing.
Brother.
Poor people have nothing. Rich people don't need nothing. But if you eat nothing, you will die. Yo, big up yourself, my dog. Make them know for them can't find you again.
IG, one sugar stick. Never two.
Never two. For the girl them.
For the girl, them. Only girls, no boys.
Chat, guess who I saw in May Pen today? Oh my god.
Brightest girls from them behind. Okay. Yo, YouTube we're back in the place again. Try to look like how we know over there already. I don't know. One May Pen. And the people them ask the part 2, so I've given them the part 2. You see me I say 1 TK the back of the camera. You see Instagram over here, so follow the page, duttyboiilee. My Instagram there over here, so make sure everybody subscribe, you know. Watch your style, yeah. We are going out and now see who smart and who done. So you see me I say, me I look out for my victim them, you know. See some booby that I like them more challenging thing, you know. So we are see where them I say. You see it? Forward. Alright, so they are with the 3 brightest speaking to them in a May Pen. Right now, them say them ready for win 5 grand. 3 little question. Ready?
I mean 3 questions, so I think 1 question we again.
No, sir, 3 question and 5 grand. No?
Yeah, we switch it up a bit. You see, if we answer 1 question at 15. Yeah.
Allah, we don't say.
At least get it right. Yeah. Alright, look at no $1,500.
Per question.
But if you get one wrong, you lose it all.
Deal or no deal?
Alright.
A simple question.
Alright, so we're just going to introduce yourself first.
Yeah, guys, so my Instagram is Mika_Duggery. And my TikTok is Betty Mill. My grandma _that999.brit.
Safdan Panigram.
Haley. My name is Shakira Malcolm.
My name Lee.
Baba_YZ.
J, midnight bunny up.
I want to introduce yourself real quick.
My name is Freshie.
Would not introduce yourself?
No.
Alright, skip the introduction. Them say them too bright for that. First question. Which word gets shorter when you add only 2 letters to it?
Shorter when you add 2 letters.
Yeah.
Yo, sir, you could come back with your own question and we come with this.
Boy, if you don't.
Which word gets shorter when you add 2 more letters to it?
Shorter. Which one get shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Yeah.
Shorter.
Yeah, the word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it. Yeah.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
You sure?
Word get shorter when you add 2 letters to it.
Which word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Small.
Which word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it? You say you don't know that one there?
Yeah, bro. Come in, so bright.
Cat!
What?
No. No. Shorter. ER. You get shorter. You add 2 letters so shorter.
You add 2 letters to shorter?
Shortest.
You know that one there?
No.
You give up.
Yeah.
So you know say it, brother? So what you know say? I me I say.
What want to say the answer?
You say a short.
Him say a shorter? I know that we are look for, you know.
Go embrace yourself.
Still right.
You right-ish.
Right.
More want the right answer.
Right.
Listen again. Which word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Smaller.
Yeah, but I'm not smaller. Shorter, we want to get. One more time. Which word gets shorter when you add 2 more letters to it?
Short. ER. Two more letters to it.
I don't know that one then.
You just say the answer, you know, but you don't say it good.
What's the mula? No, bro.
You give up?
Yes, sir.
Which word gets shorter when you add 2 letters to it?
Turn them question and sound to one for me.
Short. You add ER.
Ah, bright. So, I'm going to tell you, say the brightest girl. Listen to me, a pen one.
Yes.
Alright, that's correct. So, I wonder today. A short of the answer. Short.
Oh yeah, short.
Because when you add ER on short, you get shorter.
Shorter, word shorter.
Nice.
The word shorter. So,
Oh, money. Short.
I share the bright one, you know. And you get all of them right, you know. That's correct. Where do you look at maths now? You good for the maths?
Yeah.
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 rat jump out, how much left?
Wait, let me take out my pen.
Pen.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
So you don't know if it goes on.
No. Weird.
Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 rat jump out, how much left?
20. Rock can't jump.
So you stay up on the maths, you know? Can't do maths neither. Simple addition, take away. Can't do that one then either.
Really, nigga?
If 22 rat there in a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
Yo, 15, 16, 17, yes, 19, 20, 21. 8, 7. 7.
So me hear 8.
Yo,
A
7.
7, a 7.
How much you say?
7. 18.
No.
Explain that to me, baby.
So, I'm gonna ask you again. 22 rat up on a boat. 15 jump out. How much left?
15. 15 rat left on the boat.
Jump out.
Yeah.
19.
How you know make that sense?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Alright, so 22 minus 15, 8.
8. Sure.
No, 7, 7.
Okay.
I don't me I say.
12. No.
20.
20? You sure? If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 rat jump out,
7.
how much left?
7. How much?
22.
7.
22 of them, because none of them named dead.
What?
Subtract 15. So, 7.
7.
Yeah. 7 still in our boat.
7 still in our boat.
And then jump out, no 15. The 15 knows 7 rat left on the boat. 15 rat jump out, so 7 rat left on the boat.
Me I get 8, me I get 7, me I get 15.
7.
7. Final answer. You clap that.
Final answer. 7.
But me not see you do no calculation.
You don't have to do it, sir, because you don't know it, sir.
7 we say. 7.
So 7. That's our final answer.
7. 7
7
left
left.
in the boat. Yes.
Wait, man. Wait.
7.
7. We now clap that in.
Yeah.
Final answer.
22 minus 15.
7. So 7 rat left. Chat to no L part chat. Remember to carry the 9. You sure?
Wait.
It's on wrong.
Wait, one can say when I want to answer.
Yeah, if you know.
Say 22. We say 7.
So you say 22.
No, she said 20.
No,
You say
sir.
22.
Me want bucket of KFC.
You say bucket of KFC.
Shut up your mouth, man.
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
22.
You're trouble, you know. Yeah, trouble there, you go on.
Yo, me no love that question, you know. 7.
Final answer. Hold on, yeah.
That's a 0. You want the rest of them off.
Oh.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Me sure, brother, 7.
TK, him look sure.
7. 7 rat left.
You want to hear the question again?
Yes. What your question?
22 rat up on a boat. 15 rat jump out of the boat.
Yes.
How much left?
In the boat. 7 left. Oh, 15. 22.
So 22.
Yeah.
Yo, him say 0 now. But that's 7 me say. That's 7.
Them clueless. 4. Alright, the time up. That wrong.
You answer that wrong.
All of them wrong. Alright, it's a trick question, no, bro. We never ask much left on the boat and never ask much rat left.
No, call me $1,500.
Come I couldn't get it today, no, because we don't have box shuffle on the answer them now. We don't get none right, you know. I know 7.
15.
15 are the answer.
Yeah, maybe. Oh.
Because 15 left. Alright, watch you now. Last one. Yeah, top speller.
Yes.
You can't spell.
Yes.
Remember, say 2 you can't
English
already.
are my bad spot.
English as your back.
Yes.
Oh, no papa color. Papa, alright, see it now. More you spell the word candy.
Candy.
But more you spell it with only 2 letters.
Candy with only 2 letters.
Yeah. You know candy like where you eat, man, sweetie. You know candy.
Candy.
You know candy. Say that means you don't know how to spell it.
I'm not sure anymore.
Candy.
C-Y.
Eminem. That's it. C-Y.
Stop it. Get some help.
Candy.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Candy with 2 letters.
Yeah.
Yeah, with 2 letters.
Candy, brother.
Can't spell it with 2 letters. Producer say 5 seconds on the clock.
5 seconds for the clock. I didn't want it.
Something with just a D.
Something D. What D?
Candy.
Candy with 2 letters.
Yeah.
That's not possible.
You sure?
Yeah, you know possible.
So you say a top, you say a bright.
Yeah, candy with 2 spellers.
Spell candy.
C-A-N-D-Y.
Alright. Much is that? C-A-N-D-Y. That's 5 letters. Alright. But more you show the versatility and spelling with 2 letters.
Can't do it, brother.
Can't do it.
So you have to catch one another time. Let me question 2 with 2 letters. Whoa. Whoa. Candy with 2 letters. Whoa.
Producer say time up, you know.
Oh, you spell candy with 2 letters. Candy with 2 letters. Yeah.
No.
You okay, Andy?
Oh, you spell candy normally.
C-A-N-D-Y.
So where the K come from?
Oh, it's a CD.
Yo, don't.
What answer?
C and Y.
C and Y, candy.
C and Y.
Candy.
Yeah. Alright, that wrong. That wrong.
No,
The
man.
correct answer is C and Y.
But with the C-Y, sir. Start with the C-Y.
You hear what I just say?
Oh, the
C and Y. Who want win 5 grand? 5 grand. Just answer 3 little questions. 3 simple questions. Man, a simple 1, 2, 3 question, man. We ask you a question like purple plus green and them things. You see? Man, them know want win 5 grand. You know, green plus yellow, red minus purple. Come here.
Help me. Help me.
We there back in a me pen. You know what that go. We now left until we find the brightest person in a me pen right now. We are gonna find out who know them answer. More give it a 10 grand, you know. Need to give it a 10 grand. TK ain't ready to give you money. Brother, you shake your head. Them can't see you shake your head, bro. You're the back of the camera. Yo, anyway, we are gonna look for the first victim and see how it's there. $5,000 we are winning a me pen. We now left until we give it that money. Wait, so we active? Alright, so we there with the brightest youth in a me pen right now. We there with the brightest youth them in a me pen right now. Man, them want to introduce themselves.
Alright, so my name Kwan.
Nikai.
Gram Kwani underscore YB.
My girl, my name Nix Do Care. My name Josh, but you can call me Glitch. Also have a TikTok called Josh_19. Yeah, that's my TikTok. You can go there and follow me.
Alright.
Follow me on Instagram, @savage_DTV. My name is Juicy Mark. On the gram, on the TikTok, everywhere. Juicy Mark.
DJ Shalrich from IG, you see?
Been too crazy on IG, you know what I think?
Yeah, she want on IG.
Yeah, Mario. Alright, so we're there with the brightest girl in a me pen right now. She says she have bright sparks and she can answer all 3 questions and get $5,000. First thing you do is introduce yourself.
My name is Gabby. My name is Gabby.
You know, shout out your TikTok, Instagram, or
My IG, Gabby.gotbricks.
Jaka.
See, God.
First question. I have cities but no houses, mountains but no trees, water but no fishes. What am I?
I don't know.
Think about it, man.
Repeat the question.
Repeat that one then.
Yes, say it again.
Repeat.
Repeat the question again.
Something all right.
I have cities
Cities, as in CITY. Cities.
Listen up. I have cities, but
Yeah.
no houses.
Yeah.
Mountains, but no trees.
Yeah.
I have water,
Yeah.
but no fishes.
Yeah.
What am I?
Alright. Yeah, cities.
Mm-hmm.
I have water, but no fishes.
Mm-hmm.
What else just have?
Mountain, no
Mountain.
trees.
Mountain or no trees. What are you?
Grass.
I have cities, but no houses. Mountains, but no trees. Water, but no fishes. What am I? Pool.
So, illogical answer for me as a young juvenile going to Denby High School. You see me representing. You see me?
Road.
Road.
Road. We can say road. Yeah, cause road can go up and it have water. There's a city. Water.
Your favor, idiot.
You sure you know what? Try again one more time.
Well, water. Water bucket.
Really, nigga?
You have city and you don't know.
Government.
Stupid.
Oh no, that.
The logical answer is
Logical answer me have. You see me? Water commission.
No.
what? You say? It's a road.
Road, me say.
Not lucky in that.
And what you say? Road, you say? Well, I him say road, and nobody me say.
And about that you say?
Yes, you need a trouble, you know. Yeah, trouble there, you go on.
Water bucket?
Yeah. Catch you know. You know have no mountain there so. No fish there so. No tree. But you have water there. Think about it.
Stop it. Get some help.
Water bucket.
And have city.
It have where is it? No what? See someone I embarrassed me already dog. You know another one there?
You know that one there?
No?
That wrong, you know, bro.
That wrong, bro.
On the road.
How
A globe.
I'm up. Map.
I have cities, but no houses. Mountains, but no trees.
Yeah, water. Cities but no houses.
Yeah.
You don't know that one there?
See now, as a juvenile, as me say once, back then, I really know that one, you know. I mean, I really can't shame myself, bro. Because I tell you, say, yo, I don't know that one, yeah. So I got to take my humble defeat and ask for the answer. So what is the answer?
A map of the answer. You see it simple? Ah, what you know? Second question. I can be broken but never held. What am I?
To be broken but never held. Spirit.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
The spirit can be broken but it can't be held.
Yo, that makes sense now. Forgive me that one there.
Yeah.
Half mark. Kind of that way I look for. Half mark. What can be broken but never held?
What can be broken but never held? Art.
Never held.
Art.
Heart?
Art.
No, me no know one. Heart. Heart, me say.
Art, you say.
Glass.
So you can't hold glass.
Yeah. Oh, heart.
I can be broken but never held. What am I?
Art.
Hello, listen. Hold on, you did there no.
Heart.
Heart? Alright. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, me I go with heart.
Heart. I want to sure.
Yes. Say wrong.
That wrong. That's a good one, but another that way I look for.
Aye. Can be broken but never held.
Get up on the right track.
You can get a hint.
Me just get up on the right track. That's the hint.
Your heart, like emotionally, your heart can be broken, but you can't hold your heart. See me?
So the doctor them will perform surgery. Them no whole heart none all.
No, but let's not. We are talking emotionally now, you know. About emotionally done in a person as an emotional youth, you see me?
Yeah.
When your heart get broken in the bro. You can't touch your heart because it get broken.
Oh.
You see me? So when you hear some man say, oh, them a put back in the pieces, bro.
Mm-hmm.
And them a physically put him back in pieces. They don't physically touch nothing because if my heart broken, I can't touch my broken heart, bro. Sir. That's a conclusion that I get off fight.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that I answer still.
Hard. You can break me heart, you never hold it. You have to give me that.
Where's the African? Heart. So the doctor them will do heart surgery, research on them. Them no hold heart.
No.
Them can't hold it.
No.
So I say a human being never hold a heart in them life yet.
Pampers.
Pump what?
Pampers. That's what they say.
Heart.
Yeah. Can't broke your heart.
But doctor hold heart every day, man. Doctor will do surgery hold heart and everything.
Shut up your mouth, man.
Me not know that one there.
Yeah, give up again?
Yeah, me not know that.
You can't break heart and you can't hold. Oh, you can't hold it.
So when doctor operate.
Hey, done. I can be broken but never held.
Yeah.
Will, you know, say will can like a will boy can be broken but you can't hold.
Yeah, get some half mark, you know.
But 2 half make 1.
I can be broken but never held. What am I?
Promises. Can break your
Holy
promises.
general. Yeah, man. Here one number G. One more question. I can be broken but never held. What am I?
I promise. I answer.
I promise.
I promise. I'll delete that.
What my promise them?
You can spell? Not a big speller.
No.
You are a big speller.
No. Bro, I'm not a good speller, bro.
It's a simple word, me ask you.
Words,
It's a simple word, me. Why you spell the word candy?
Candy.
Only using 2 letters. We just want to spell the word candy. Only using 2 letters.
Candy, we're only using 2 letters.
We can do it. The first letter. So you have the paper. Because the letter you write. So you write C-A-N-D-Y. And then the second letter. C-A-N-E-Y. 2 letters using candy.
I am the one, the way you condom.
Wrong answer, forehead.
Yeah. So you write 1 letter. No, you spell candy in a 2 letter. So the first letter of candy body. You fold that whatever you do with it. The second letter of candy. You fold that whatever you do. So you spell candy in a 2 letter. They are smart still, you know?
I get it right?
No, you don't get it right. But no, you know this. Candy.
Use only 2 letters.
2 letters. But that was a good answer still. But that's not right. That's good. One more chance. Want to spell the word candy using 2 letters.
Bro, you say candy.
Candy.
I'm gonna just say DY. Just say candy.
DY.
Yeah. Right?
DY.
Yeah.
Final answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that in.
I'm gonna like you. DY.
Supposed to tell you that wrong.
I use Google.
Shut your lame ass up, nigga.
Yeah.
C-A-N-D-Y. What's up?
Yeah, but why you spell it with 2 letters?
Yeah, me I say BY, can you say candy, so me think me I just use a can and just put it BY.
But DY, you would say candy there, so. If you write DY on a paper, you can. That also DY.
You yeah, Inter you take off $1,000.
Inter me take off $4,000.
No. Alright, give me a hint. Me obviously feel this.
Alright. Want me get the hint? The hint is 2 letters. Wrong. The answer is C and Y. C and Y.
Shut up. Me can't give up. No, cause I'm really.
You give up?
Yeah, me give up. Tell me the answer.
The answer is C and Y.
Pin, 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 pin.
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
17 I answer.
17.
Yeah.
No.
If 22 rat the pan boat,
How much left?
Kapina is a year.
I'm try to get in, but you not get it.
Right, yeah, me did
If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
Oh, if 22 rat the pan boat and 15 jump out, how much
I never feel say one trip, but I don't want to say one trip.
Yet?
7.
7? You say 8 first. Which one you say?
No, I never say 8.
Oh, 7. What you say?
Alright, 7.
7?
22 rat the pan one boat.
Yeah.
Rat.
And 15 jump off. How much left? 8? 18?
No. Yeah, man.
Me hear 18, 8. What you say? 8.
15.
15. 8. 15.
Then girl, I said me say 15.
Them girl that say 15?
Yes.
I want to give
Oh,
you
man,
answer.
look like fool out there.
Or them why you look like fool? You trust them with the 15?
No.
Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy.
Dog, I never feel extra dunce.
No man, I don't man.
I need that one.
Last one. If 22 rat up on a boat and 15 jump out, how much left?
No, I put the 2 on it. 7 that, bro.
So you said, what answer?
If 22 rat up on the boat and 15 jump out, and 7.
7?
Yeah.
You sure?
Very.
What you say?
7 too.
7?
Yeah.
I stand by the calculator.
Stand by the calculator, cause I calculator smartness, you know, you don't know.
Oh.
You see me mental matter not really. My thing in the category.
Er.
You see me calculator.
What if me tell you say that wrong?
Chickastan. What 22 rat do on a boat?
Yeah, boy.
Ask back for your question. Remember the brightest girl listening to
Ask
me,
back for your question.
Say if she don't know it, nobody don't know it.
7 rat go left on the boat, but he like the person I treat so much.
Right.
He like there's a part where I'm supposed to see what I can't like it and can't see.
7.
7. 7.
Alright, 7 wrong.
Yeah, that wrong. A 22 rat, me say no. 22 rat.
Yeah.
And the 15 jumper. How much left?
Yo. It's on easy, but the hard.
8. Them money, I want them getting a match.
I want number.
Yes, a number.
I know my answer.
Mm.
Then me I go do a girl and say.
What the girl them say?
Yeah.
You sure you know I go with the charge you say 8?
Me I go do a girl and say.
12.
Oh my God! Wow!
More tell you say that wrong.
So we are going to jump in a calculator. So
Ah.
you say.
Alright, then reach for the boat.
What the answer? What the answer?
Repeat the question again.
22 right up on a boat and 15 jump off. How much left?
On a boat.
On the 22 left on the boat. And 15 of them jump out.
Jump out or jump off?
Jump off of the boat.
Jump off.
How much left?
12.
12.
Yeah.
Quick maths.
Oh, two.
Where you say?
12, man. 12.
A 12.
God, please, no! No! No!
22 right the one about 15 jump out. How much left?
Oh! Me switch that round now, me I get 17.
Yeah.
So, oh, that is wrong.
Are you 100% on that? 22 left. What you say?
15 jump off, 15 rat jump off.
If you want one jump off, go not go jump off.
You serious?
15 jump out.
Yeah.
How much left?
So much left. What you say? None? What you say?
22 still there, man. 22 still there.
So you say none no jump off. After I just tell you say 15 jump off. What you say 3 on the wrong? Answer 15.
15 left.
Yeah.
15 jump off.
Yeah. So now 15 left. What if I tell you say the question is not a math question, but an English question?
So, what? Jump
off. 15 rat left.
15 rat left.
50 rat left.
So how is that? Not
because 15 rat left.
You what?
15 rat jump off of the boat. So 15 rat left.
Left the boat. Oh. You know, as a wise man once said, you know, always stay in school. Remember, kids, do not do drugs. Stay in school and believe in yourself. If you can't get an education, there's a skill. Get them and say, believe in yourself. You see me? Make sure you listen to the mother, listen to the father, and take in the education. And make sure you pray. You see me?
All the time.
Make sure you pray. Big up Father God, big up yourself.
Yeah. Big up, bro. So at the brightest youth that in a me pen. If him could answer it, you don't know who can answer it. Yeah, make sure you subscribe, because if you don't subscribe, brother, I do no more video for. If you don't subscribe, I do no more video for you.